Moonstone, more commonly known as selenite, is a gypsum mineral known for its flashy yet brittle structure. Selenite is a mineral found in sedimentary layers of salt. It is composed of calcium sulfate dihydrate, meaning this stone is made up of 2 molecules of water, making it a very fragile gemstone. Selenite is derived from the Greek word selene, meaning moon, for stone of the moon. Some spiritual seekers commonly warn people about the frequency of selenite, saying they must desire the transmission of light energy and be ready to process divine changes to their being before letting the gem fall into their possession. This crystal is said to be a 5th-dimensional mirror reflecting back into the 3rd-dimensional world, and is a bridge that connects the physical and spiritual planes. It is the doorway to higher realms. Selenite revitalizes all the chakras as well as energies of other gemstones. It is known as the crystal of clarification and stabilizes as well as protects your energy from negative frequencies. Some of the botanical combinations with selenite are tulsi, green tea leaf, skullcap, lavender, and peppermint.